Hey guys, what's up? So this is going to be a different video today. So today we're going to be talking about Brave. Now, let me tell you something. Honestly, this is going to be the thing that's going to save your life. Are you tired of ads, my dude? If you are, let me know, bro. There's going to be a download link in the description for this web browser. So let's get into this. I'm just going to show you a few things of what Brave is really all about and why you need it. So honestly, once you download it, you get this cool little thing. It's Brave, whatever. You want to double click on it. Now, I'm pretty sure other internet providers can also do this, but yo, Brave actually uses this more in its system. So you can create a profile. I created my own profile, Lyub 12 tutorials. Honestly, I feel like this is really good because you get to pretty much categorize and or just make your life simple when you browse the internet. So in this case, you could either add a person, really cool, and it's gonna create a desktop shortcut for this. You can add in some emojis. Honestly, I really can't wait till this starts to upgrade just a little bit. I feel like then there'll be more varieties of emojis. Very cool. But in this case, we're gonna browse as guest. Alright, so browsing as a guest. Now, listen, DuckDuckGo. I really like this search browser. It is way better than Google, in my opinion. But like, if you're really trying to get information, I do recommend Google. But if you're trying to get specific information, I guess check DuckDuckGo. And also with this web browser, it's compatible with Tor. Very interesting, right? But in this case, we're not gonna focus on that because I just want to focus on Brave. Because honestly, guys, Brave, you guys need to check it out. So let's go over to brave.com. Oh, I spelled it wrong, so let's try again. Brave.com. Awesome. So this is gonna give you the nice little website. So what you guys want to do is, if you guys can, go into the description and click on that link to download Brave. I would love you guys a lot. Help me out. So anyways, let's get right into it. So honestly, Brave is like faster, it's a safer and much more easier browser, you feel me? Their mission is to make the web a much more safer place, I guess. Honestly, I'm just using this cause yeah, definitely safe. I like its new design, its new feature. I like trying new things, and also the thing that I love most about it is the ads. You don't need to download no extension off Google. You just have to download this web browser, bro. Plus, it is way faster. I can confirm this because Google Chrome is kind of slow on me, and I was thinking about getting Mozilla Firefox, but yo, boom, wait, really quick, very nice, I like it. And then you guys can also watch the little speed test in real time. It's very cool, very awesome. I mean, if you guys want to watch this over my voice, go for it. Let's check this out. Let's make this into a little reaction. Whoa, Brave browser is so freaking fast. 3 times with Brave when you load up CNN.com. Holy cow, guys. Honestly, I've been tired of Chrome. It's pretty much Google. And what Google's been doing, you see what Google's doing is buying things. Google's like being really annoying at the moment with all this advertisement. You're not really safe with Google, to be honest. Brave, guys, give this bad boy a chance, cause like it's been hiding in the shadows, to be honest. And yo, I bet you guys haven't even heard about this. And plus, since I'm gonna be uploading some some cool videos, I recommend getting this, because throughout my courses or throughout my videos, throughout my life, I'm just gonna be using this, and you guys can get it on mobile. I haven't gotten it on mobile because I don't have a phone. My phone's broken. I don't really have a phone. I use my phone as an iPod. Who needs a freaking phone? Welcome to the shadows. Dang, my life is so sad right now. All right. Also, with the Brave block thing, really cool. Up here, it's gonna show you the little shield that it comes with. If you deselect that, it's gonna load up a whole bunch of ads that the site comes with. But hey, this site doesn't have any ads unless it's their own ads. So that's what's up. Let's check it out. If you go to YouTube, alright, you guys can see that the Brave shield is on. Turn that shiznit off. Let's go click on a video. Okay, you guys saw that was an ad. Alright, let's check it again. Oh, you saw an ad over there. Shiznit. Alright, I'm gonna do this professional now. Alright, boom. There's an ad right there. Oh no, ad pop up. Oh wait, it's because the protection is on. Ha! Alright guys. So let's do this again without the protection. Oh wait, no, the protection is off. Alright, so let's do the protection. Only it's on. Oh, it's off only on this page. So if we click on it on here, you're gonna see an ad right here. Alright, I want to turn that off. So let's do this. Let's do this. Boom! Look at that. It's blocked over 14 already. Awesome, beautiful. I don't need to watch no nasty ass stuff. You feel me? I could finally watch a YouTube video, all good and stuff. Let's go on to where other Google. I don't freaking know. YouTube is pretty much the big group thing. YouTube is pretty much where hell is unleashed. Also, you can give out your favorites to creators. So in this case, what's it called? Should I not? Alright, so let's go to let's search up on Google. Let's search something up. Let's search up guacamole. I don't know, first thing that popped into my head. Very cool, very awesome. Let's just go to this one, and then if we go to since we are, I'm sorry guys, so since we are in a private browser, we really won't be able to give back to our favorite creators. But if you guys are interested, I will be doing another video shortly about Brave and all the cool things about it. I'm just showing you a teaser of it right now. Ha 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 ha. So yeah guys, honestly, what are you waiting for? Go into the description, get yourself Brave, and follow me on my tutorials, cause honestly, be like her, yo. Not a product. be like this guy. You are your own freaking person. People can't make money off of you. You can. Something like that. I don't know. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out the link in the description. Get Brave now. Follow my tutorials. Check out my channel, YouTube, Discord. Let's start 2019 very, very safely.